Welcome to 216 Breakers. This is my first video. We're ripping Monopoly Prizm by Panini. This is 216 Breakers. I've heard there's not much to be had in this set, but they're really cheap, so I figured we'd give them a whirl. We got a Dwayne Wade. Not my favorite player. We got Zach Levine. This looks like a parallel of some sort. Donovan Mitchell and a Reed Shepherd rookie. Kind of just getting back into the hobby, and to be honest, it's kind of depressing given how expensive everything is. But Yao Ming. When basketball was good. Alright, Patrick Ewing, that's kind of a nice card. We got a Jacoby Walter rookie parallel, looks like. Looking for numbered cards. Got a DeAndre Ayton. Merry Christmas, everybody, by the way. This is not a PC channel. Oh, we got a Dennis Rodman, that's kind of cool. A Charles Barkley. Got a Curry and a Kawhi. A lot of nice base cards. Tim Duncan. Stephen Castle rookie card. That's probably a nice one. LeBron's. And Jalen Green. Kupo, Alexander Sarr rookie, Chet Holmgren, and a Zachariah Risacker rookie. Oh, there's a John Morant. Ooh, we got a some sort of refractor here of Klay Thompson, not numbered. Zion Williamson and a Cody Williams rookie card. Looks like some sort of weird yellow parallel, maybe. Alright, well there's one box of Monopoly ripping, so we'll see if any of these are actually worth anything. I doubt it, but 216 Breakers, signing off.